I stepped into an avalanche, covered up my soul. When I am not this hunchback, you see, asleep beneath a golden hill. You who wish to conquer pain, you must learn to serve me well. You strike my side by accident as you go down for your goal. The crippled heel that you clothe and feed is neither starved nor cold. Does not ask for your company, not at the center of the world. When I am on this pedestal, you did not raise me there. Your laws do not compel me to kneel grotesque and bare. I myself am the pedestal for this ugly home at which you stare. I have begun to long for you, I who have no need. I have begun to wait for you, I who rule the seven seas. You say you've gone away from me, but I can feel you when you breathe. Do not dress in those rags for me, I know you're not poor. Don't love me quite so fiercely now when you know you are not sure. This is your world, beloved, it is your flesh that I wear. This is your world, beloved, it is your flesh that I wear.